Pen-blwydd hapus Hawliau Plant yn 30.
So what the idea of today is we're going to all have some time with our pens and pencils and we're going to write down some of these rights. We're going to help turn them into small nursery rhymes or little raps.
The most important right to me is practicing our beliefs and religions.
Children that have been abused and stuff need the right to stick up for themselves. The most important one to me is to live so I can have a life and grow up.
If we didn't have rights, we wouldn't be the same, because if you're black or white, it doesn't really matter.
Mae'n bwysig iawn bod plant yn ymwybodol eu hawliau nhw hunan, fel bod nhw'n gallu sefyll y fyny drosyn nhw hunan. Hefyd bod nhw'n gwybod pwy di'r pobl fedra nhw fynd ati nhw, os ydyn nhw'n poeni am rhywbeth sydd yn ymwneud efo'u hawliau nhw.
Mae Hawliau Plant yn gadw fi saff.
Beth oedd y peth mwyaf oedd chi newid?
We're trying to stop adults having the right to hit children. And that's one of the things that I've been campaigning for a long time.
Why do you want to help children in Wales?
Sometimes children need a bit of extra help to get all the things they need to grow up happy, healthy and safe. And that's because they don't always get listened to as well as adults. They're smaller than adults. And I'm really passionate to make sure that all children get their rights no matter what.
Why do you think it's important for us to understand our rights?
Well, if you understand your rights, you know then what you can speak up for. And we want children in Wales to grow up with the knowledge that, they have got the right to participate, they have got the right to speak out.
Da ni'n gorfod meddwl am hwn fel barddoniaeth neu fel fatha can bach.
Happy birthday, Children's Rights Wales.
Happy birthday, Children's Rights Wales.
Pen-blwydd hapus UNCLC.
Happy birthday, Children's Rights.
Happy birthday, Children's Rights.
Pen-blwydd hapus Hawliau Plant.
Happy birthday, Children's Rights.
Happy birthday, Children's Rights.
Happy birthday, Children's Rights.
Pen-blwydd hapus Hawliau Plant.
Happy 30th birthday, Children's Rights.